Hi everyone, welcome to Carol's Art Room. Today's video, I'm going to work on a couple of octagon tiles, and I'm going to do a swipe, and I'm going to use both tiles together. But first I wanted to show you, this is a ceramic tile that I attached to my cake spinner. It's just a cheapy plastic cake spinner, but it was starting to get noisy, and I wanted something a little bigger. It's messy, look at that. So I just took some duct tape or painter's tape and taped this ceramic tile to the top. And I believe it's, let me see how many inches it is. 12, it's a 12 by, almost a 12 by 12 tile. So, here we go. So I've taped the backs of these. Now these little tiles came in a sheet. And I just cut them up off the sheet. These are only 4 inches. Okay, so I'm gonna pour some this is just white Glidden Essentials house paint. Get it close to the edge. Okay. So let's see if I can get those air bubbles out. Okay, so my colors are, this is Coral by Art. So what I think I'll do is I'll just run a line . I've got some red. This is Winsor & Newton Crimson and some metallic red by Artist Loft. And then I have some Art Americana bright orange. And I have some Oriental Violet, Winsor and Pebeo. Yellow green. And a bit of yellow. This is Cad Yellow by Winsor & Newton and some metallic yellow by Artist Loft. Okay. Now, I think I will use this palette knife. And I will just put some oxide black cell activator on here mixed with Australian Floetrol. Ooh. Let that develop a little more. Just trying to get this down. Okay. Not sure how this is going to spin out, but I didn't get any, well, a little bit. I got purple, yellow, really nice there. Okay, just give it a spin. Just thinking I should separate these. I'm going to separate these. This one up. That's pretty. Just gonna set it here for a minute. Wipe the bottom off. Yeah, these are really cute. Okay. I'm just going to wipe this off. You can add some water and then it just comes, the paint just comes right off. Here's one. Here's the other one. Maybe it goes this way. Yeah. There you go. I think they're really pretty. They make a cute little coaster. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and come back to Carole's Art Room. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And comment below. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. And yeah, please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Bye-bye. Well, let me see if I can zoom in for you. There. There you go. Bye. Hi everyone. Here's my dried octagon tiles. Or hexagon, whatever they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided. They dried pretty nice. I love that. There you go. I like the swirly edges. Have a great day. Bye-bye.